without the intent to deceive. People typically share because they believe it's true. This information is false information deliberately created to share with the sole explicit intention to manipulate, deceive, and cause harm. Malinformation is information that is based on reality, but that is deliberately taken out of context, manipulated, and exaggerated to cause harm and ruin reputations. Am I? If I want to make an issue out of 28, I can make it and it can sound real. And if I don't want to make an issue, but if you empower yourself to read between the lines, you know, they say the ultimate goal of communication is not to listen to the spoken words. You must be able to listen to the unspoken words. In Afrikaans sê hulle dit altyd, die nama sal tog beter verstaan. Is die taal wat jy beter ken. Jy moet die agtertongetjies se gesprek luister. As jy daai gesprek luister, dan weet jy wat wil jy die man sê. Of jy moet ook die kans te gee om klaar te praat. As jy die, so that is what they say. The greatest art of communication is never to listen to the spoken word, but is to listen to the unspoken word. Once you develop